Welcome to Psychonics, your personal guide to the mysterious and holy. Today, we start on an astonishing trip that extends beyond the confines of our terrestrial life and into the vast horizons of the universe. We have received a deep message from the Pleiadians, celestial beings who have been watching over humanity for eons. This revelation contains the secret to our collective ascension and spiritual awakening. Join us as we reveal the Pleiadian Message, which must be disseminated with as many souls as possible. Your journey to enlightenment and your participation in Earth's ascension begin now. Welcome to the Psychonics. The Pleiadians have stretched out across the wide length of the cosmos to greet us, carrying a message of great value. They emphasize the vast potential and essential importance of the insights they provide. This is more than simply another message. It is a cosmic call, a heavenly directive intended to awaken the most profound aspects of our existence. We, the audience, are not just passive listeners. The universe has chosen us to be its light bearers. Our mission is big and sacred, to develop and anchor higher awareness frequencies on Earth during this important cosmic cycle. Our role is crucial. We are the forerunners of a new era, carrying the vibrations of light and love into the center of our world. Earth is on the verge of a cataclysmic shift. This is more than just a transition. It is a dimensional shift, an ascension to higher planes of reality. This process necessitates a major spiritual awakening, affecting all living beings on the globe. It is a journey from the darkness of separation and strife to the bright embrace of togetherness, love, and enlarged consciousness. The Pleiadians remind us that every one of us carries the memories of celestial beginnings and ancient wisdom. We serve as world bridges, conduits for universal energy, and messengers of unlimited love. Our presence on Earth serves as a catalyst, causing a collective growth in consciousness and guiding mankind to its full potential. This profound message contains ascension codes that will raise, activate, and speed up our spiritual journey. As we internalize these codes, we are compelled to share them with as many souls as possible. By doing so, we spread the light and speed the awakening of our worldwide community. In a universe where frequencies can be changed to conceal our true nature, the Pleiadians encourage us to maintain the highest possible vibrations. By holding this light, we may oppose the forces of darkness and expand the reach of divine love and wisdom. The time has come for us to recover our power, remember our actual selves, and take on our duties as sovereign creatures of light. Earth's change is more than just an exterior phenomenon. It is a profound inner awakening. The old systems and structures are disintegrating, creating room for new foundations based on harmony, compassion, and connectivity. We are called to activate the light codes within our DNA, reawakening dormant potentials and transforming them into reality. This is a call to live purposefully, to embrace the principles of the new Earth, and to use our particular talents for the greater benefit. As we link with our fellow lightworkers and form a glowing grid around the Earth, we speed up the ascension process. The cosmos encourages us to stand tall, shine brightly, and trust in the higher realms that guide and uplift us. Remember, we choose to be present at this vital moment. Our spirits volunteered for this task, bringing the strength, courage, and love required to complete it. Together, we are the key to Earth's ascension, creating a new reality based on unity consciousness. We embrace our duties with enthusiasm, hope, and a firm belief in the beauty of the future we are creating. As we recover our authority, we usher in a new period of light, peace, and prosperity for everybody. Why is the audience so important? The answer is hidden deep within our nature. Each of you possesses inside your spirit ancient memories and vast wisdom from star origins and higher dimensions. This precious wisdom is not a relic of the past. It is a live, breathing part of your being. You serve as world-connecting bridges, cosmic energy mediators, and messengers of universal love. Your presence on Earth is no coincidence. You are here to serve as catalysts for enormous change, elevating and boosting humanity's collective consciousness. By embracing and embodying your actual nature, you can inspire and uplift those around you, leading them to a higher level of consciousness and unity. The message we share today contains tremendous ascension codes. These codes are intended to raise, stimulate, and expedite the spiritual journeys of those who receive them. They contain the key to unlocking our full potential and directing us to our highest destiny. It is critical that this word be widely distributed, spreading the light far and wide to every part of the world. In the realm of frequencies, there is a war between light and dark. Entities that are misaligned with the Creator have long exploited subliminal frequencies in music and films to keep humans unaware of their true nature. These secret vibrations mislead people into complacency, hiding their divine essence and greater purpose. However, the forces of light use comparable ways with completely distinct intentions. We overcome the darkness by maintaining high vibrations and emitting positive frequencies, so awakening our real potential and that of others. When you maintain these higher vibrations, you become a beacon of light, extending the reach of divine love and wisdom. Understanding the significance of frequencies helps us to use their power for good. By actively choosing to surround ourselves with positive vibrations, we not only safeguard our own energy, but also have a tremendous impact on those around us. This is why it is critical to stay grounded in your light, recognize the significance of your being, and continue forward with unflinching commitment to anchor the light. Now is the time to reclaim your authority, realize who you truly are, and shine as the sovereign beings of light you were created to be. By doing so, you help bring in a new period of peace, love, and togetherness for everyone. Together, we will illuminate the route to a brighter future that is in tune with the cosmos' greatest frequencies. The significance of sustaining high vibrations cannot be overemphasized. When you maintain high vibrations, it causes a ripple effect that has a significant impact on others around you. Your energy becomes a beacon of light, uplifting and inspiring others, while gently encouraging them to raise their own vibrations. This is why it is critical to understand the purpose of your existence. Your light is required now more than ever, and advancing and anchoring it is critical to our collective ascension. As we traverse these changing times, Earth and her inhabitants are undergoing significant changes. The old structures and institutions, which no longer serve the greater good, are disintegrating. This collapse is not to be feared, but rather welcomed, as it paves the way for new foundations based on peace, compassion, and interconnection. We are witnessing the beginning of a new era in which love and unity triumph over division and conflict. Reclaiming our power is inextricably intertwined with remembering our genuine selves. It entails peeling aside the layers of unconsciousness that have concealed our divine nature. As we lose these layers, we start to activate the light codes contained in our DNA. These codes contain the blueprint for our highest potential, which is ready to be realized and articulated. This process of waking is a return to our true selves. It is about accepting our spiritual heritage and realizing the limitless possibilities inside. Activating these light codes awakens dormant skills, allowing us to fulfill our highest purpose and participate in the collective ascension. By regaining our power, we take on our roles as conscious creators. We recall that we are not passive viewers in this cosmic dance, but rather active participants in molding the reality around us. This reclaiming is a call to live intentionally and purposefully, to use our particular gifts for the greater good, and to reflect the principles of the new earth. As we continue on this road, let us remain consistent in our vision of a world founded on love, peace, and harmony. By sustaining high vibrations, recovering our power, and remembering our actual identities, we can shape this new reality. Together, we can illuminate the way forward, guiding humanity to a future full of light and unlimited promise. Our spiritual journey revolves around living with a sense of purpose. This call to action encourages us to recognize our unique talents and abilities as tools for the greater good, rather than simply gifts. When we align our activities with our greater purpose, we help mankind ascend as a whole. This requires not just individual efforts, but also collaboration with other lightworkers. Together, we create a brilliant grid surrounding Earth, a network of high vibrational energy that aids the planet's ascent. By living with purpose, we become conduits for light and love, actively contributing to the development of a new harmonic reality. Accepting our true identity is an important step in this process. It's time to quit hiding our brightness and questioning our worth. Each of us has a spark of the divine, a distinct essence that the universe desperately requires. The message is clear. Stand up and shine as sovereign creatures. Our light is not intended to be dimmed, but rather to shine brightly, illuminating the path for others. Embracing our true identity entails accepting our power, worth, and divine purpose. It is about taking on our roles with confidence and grace, truly embracing the light we are created to be. We are not alone on this path. We are directed and sustained by higher dimensional light forces. These wonderful beings have been watching over humanity for eons, and their support is steadfast. They remind us that we chose to incarnate at this vital time, well aware of the obstacles and significant opportunities that lie ahead. We have the power, fortitude, and wisdom required to manage this era of transformation. Aligning with these higher forces allows us to draw into a vast reservoir of support and direction. Trusting in their aid gives us the confidence to move forward, knowing that we are divinely supported at every step. As we all awaken, we perceive the world in new ways, recognizing the interdependence of all life. This transformation in consciousness causes substantial changes in the way we live, engage, and co-create. It develops a sense of unity and purpose, directing us towards a future based on love and harmony. Together, we are co-creating a world that resonates with the greatest frequencies of the universe. This new Earth reflects our combined efforts, common vision, and persistent devotion to the light. It is a world in which peace, abundance, and joy thrive, demonstrating the power of our combined light and love. As we wrap up this precious message, let us take a minute to reflect on our journey and the roles we play in the vast cosmic dance. We are the torchbearers of a new era, the forerunners of a better tomorrow. Our light is required today more than ever, and our mission is clear: to enlighten the path ahead and guide mankind to its full potential. Together, we are the catalysts for profound transformation, the creators of a new world based on love, unity, and divine understanding. With excitement, hope, and unflinching faith in the beauty of the future we are creating, we accept our roles and walk forward into the light. Remember that we are not alone. We are encircled by a tremendous network of support, guidance, and love from the higher dimensions. Trust in this support and let your light shine brightly, because the universe is watching and the time for our collective ascension has arrived.